cameras,
constantly.
sleeping policemen. It's a nightmare just driving potholes. It's like
Potholes.
literally.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
potholes
go
are
on,
so bad.
boys.
I thought I'd. Oh, potholes. Honestly, they are so bad right now because of the winter and everything. Literally, like you could lose a small kid in them. But that's how bad they are.
Do you know what? I had to replace a spring on my Aston Martin suspension spring because it was broken. And I think it's
How do you
because, or
break
maybe
a
because it's
spring on
old.
an
It will be.
Aston
It
Martin?
will.
How do you break a
No,
spring?
they're
It,
causing thousands of pounds of damage. They
yeah,
are.
it broke
They
its spring.
genuinely are.
It's
Broken wheels, burst tires, broken wheels, cracked wheels, and suspensions. They're just killing
yeah.
cars right now.
It was. Oh, where's the photo? See,
It's a
broke
picture
off.
of a spring, Sai. It's a picture of a spring.
I know it's a spring. It's a spring on my suspension, but
I
the
mean, it could
top
be a
man.
spring
Here's the other
from
thing.
anything. You didn't have
Trust
to
me, it's
go to the
Aston
effort
Martin.
of getting a picture of a spring. I got the picture, so to speak. Thank you for the show
So,
and tell, but I
so
figured it out.
that's all right. You're welcome. As a journalist, we should all share. But I had to put top. You have to get top mounts for it as well. And they said, you should put top mounts, which are like £24 each. No top mounts in the UK or anywhere in the world apparently, and it's a back order so far 6 months plus, and they don't know when it's going to come in. There's no top mounts. So if my top mounts are broken, I couldn't even drive the car. So Aston Martin, please get your finger out and just make some top mounts and other parts. But that's the other problem. Old cars, harder and harder to get parts from.
Take
I
some of
have a
them time
friend
from the
who's got an
manufacturers probably.
Aston Martin V600. V600,
V600.
Google it, gentlemen. It's really interesting. I think it's a Virage or a Vantage V600. Basically, it was the Aston Lump twin supercharged in the late mid 90s. It was sort of last of the
All
line,
right. Oh yeah, I
biggest of the
see it. It's
beast.
a Virage. Yeah.
Virage, I think. Yes,
With
Virage,
the
not the
holes in
V.
the
600 horsepower,
Yeah.
right? This thing, he always wanted one. He bought it in the UK. He lives in Los Angeles, so he wanted it shipped over. So Aston Martin reconditioned the car, basically bought it through Aston CPO. They completely figured out everything with the car, did everything top to bottom. As they were driving the car onto the ramp, taking it to Los Angeles, um, engine died completely, absolutely, after a complete nut and bolt restoration at Aston Works. So they were like, oops, sorry, rolled it back in, and another
Good.
1 year later, the car was finally ready and went to Los Angeles.
One. Oh
one.
my
So 2 years.
God.
2
1 year.
years.
Touch wood. Mine is been reliable, but I think this summer I might sell it and get a Bentley GT. That's what I might
Which
do. I don't
one?
know yet. I'm not
You,
sure.
Which
you
one?
you change your mind every time. Every time we speak, you change your mind. Because
I
last time was
like a
Esprit.
Lotus Esprit Turbo
You're
as
gonna
well.
get an Esprit. You're gonna get an Esprit. Yeah,
Depends
exactly.
how much money I have. The way
All right.
things are
Well,
Which
going.
Aston is
we're
it
gonna
again?
Not
leave
Very
everybody
scared.
quickly,
with
which
bacon.
Aston is it?
It's a DB9 2005. It's a
Conti
lovely
GT is
car.
about as ruinous as it gets, Conti GTs, because timing chains on Conti GTs, look them up. They're right at the back of the engine, so everything is engine out service.
Yeah.
Everything is 16
I mean,
times more complicated than it needs to be.
there's a reason why you can get a Conti GT for about 10 grand. Or
Yeah,
less
yeah.
even.
The other option is a 911, but then I can't be in the same podcast as Empty. So
I like 911. Shazad knows I
Man,
secretly like 911s. I've
I
driven.
know he actually loves them. He actually but he did say line 11 drivers are pricks. He did say that, but he
Yeah,
does secretly love them.
yeah, but
I do quite fancy. But
if you can't
yeah,
beat them,
I
join them, right?
quite like 911. Yeah, easy to maintain as well,
Yeah,
comparatively.
It's a Beetle. It's a
yeah,
Beetle.
yeah.
Yeah, well,
Get an
I'm not
Esprit,
saying
All
it's
it's.
right.
way cooler.
This is the only comprehensive guide to car journalism and content creation. The ULEZ Files is a novel, an all-action thriller with great reviews on Amazon.
A collection of 13 short stories written over 20 years featuring cars, sci-fi, and stories about the human condition.
Please buy Brown Car Guy's books available on Amazon.com or Kindle Unlimited.
Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.